Okay, number 30 is asking us to write. I know how you love these problems, but it's actually not as difficult as you might imagine. Let's start with a sketch showing what we know. So we know we have a right triangle, and the hypotenuse of the right triangle is 32. And so we have 32. We know that one of the legs is 16. Okay, you're noticing that the leg is half of the hypotenuse. Note to self, right? Okay, I'm going to draw the reference triangle because it's asking us if it's talking about a second right triangle. So let's draw our second right triangle, and also I'm going to draw our reference triangle here. So if this is 60 degrees and this is 1, this is the square root of 3, this is 30, and this is 2. And if you don't know how to draw that by heart, from memory, you should memorize that. Okay, just a reminder, notice that this short leg is half of the hypotenuse, or you could say the hypotenuse is twice as long as the short leg in a 30, 60, 90 triangle. Something to note about this one right here. Notice we have the short leg is half as long as the hypotenuse, okay? It says, we can know this one is definitely a 30, 60, 90 based on that information. Okay, so we have 60, this is going to be 30 degrees, all right? So can we know if they are similar? Yes, we can know if they're similar, because if this has a 60-degree angle and this is a right triangle, then they obviously are similar, because all that they have to have in order to be similar is two angles that are congruent, okay? Definitely similar triangles, okay? Now, you need to take time to write a little bit more than what I've written. I've just drawn the sketch to get you started. All right, but now it's asking, can we know if they are congruent to one another? All right, so this, remember, it's these two triangles that we are comparing. How can we know if they're similar? Well, we cannot, if they're congruent. We can't know if they're congruent, can't know congruence without some dimensions, from this triangle. And I'm just going to draw an arrow to the triangle. We would have to know some of those dimensions in order to know.